We've noticed a big change in our staff. Firstly, they seem really happy. In fact, when we first moved in, we got many of them come to us at a certain time and say, thank you, it's a great building.
You know, you walk in here and everyone is happy. Everyone's smiling, everyone has space.
Southern Cross Cleaning is part of the SEC group. We specialise in contract cleaning, but also facilities maintenance and a bit of property development as well. We work around Australia.
Southern Cross Cleaning, the client, they were originally on South Road and then got acquired with the new underpass. So then they purchased this block of land in 2023 and then started the process with Cheesemans of documenting their new headquarters.
This was an opportunity to build what we truly wanted. The two of us sat together and drew like a rough plan of what we wanted and obviously took it then to a few different builders. Form stuck out and you just had that feeling that they knew what they were talking about. Literally, we took the drawing, gave it to them and they got it spot on.
I think they understood our needs from the word go. We had a lot of similarities which made us feel confident in them.
The build at Southern Cross Cleaning is just over 1,000 square metres over 2 levels, comprising of an internal lift, major feature front foyer with lots of glass facade. They've got a warehouse at the back for their small machinery servicing. Lots of car parking, EV chargers, 40 kilowatt solar system.
From our point of view, to our hopes and desires and wish list was to build a purpose-built building and somewhere where we actually just have people on the right levels, the right spaces, and something that we know we want, which is what we believe we've got out of this building. This building also has a lot of open plan spaces as well as the quiet rooms and meeting rooms and offices that are really private and gives us room to go and do whatever we need to do in a certain space within the building.
Well, I'd have to say one of my favourite rooms in this building is the room we're currently sitting in. The open area was very important to us, that there was a general area that everyone could come, be together, not discuss business. This was the no business chat room. You could just socially chat about anything over lunch. You've got the outdoor area, so you can spill out there. You can also use it for casual functions.
The different areas suit our needs. The fact that it's purpose-built, we knew what we wanted. So that means the breakout area, the outdoor area where people can take a quiet lunch if they want to, or they can be in the hubbub with everybody else and have a busy lunch. And it's the same in the office areas and the quiet rooms and so on.
The reception area was the wow that we wanted. We wanted the pretty. And they nailed that. Just coming in with all the different designs, the finishes and that. It's an impression when you walk into the building straight away. The openness, the light, the bright.
Basically, the building has been built as per plan and we had a big involvement in the planning.
What stands out for this build compared to other builds is probably the involvement of the client. They were there every fortnight for our site meetings. They were very involved, they were very across what was happening on site, and any changes, it was quite instant, which was amazing for the progress of the project, to keep it on program and also to get that finish, what they wanted.
Working with them has just been great. Communication was second to none. That to me is the key. Their site personnel, managers, supervisors, we always got answers straight away. Nothing was too hard. They always take phone calls. We were never put on hold, we were never shunned anywhere. If there was an issue, Form came back to us with 3 or 4 different resolutions.
There was some site contamination because the site originally belonged to the service station next door. So we had to deal with that early on in the piece, and then we had to come up with some methodologies around how we're going to mitigate that throughout the construction progress. Some of the structural steel, like there was a big structural steel portal, so the coordination around that and the staging of the construction, we had to really work with our structural steel supplier to get that right. The major success of this project too was getting the right contractors and suppliers involved early. That really set us up for success early on in the project.
Time frame was important to us to finish on time so we could move into the building, and every step along the way they managed to reach the deadlines on time and obviously finish on time, so that was great from our point of view.
The thing we're most proud of is getting the build done in time for them, because they had to move out of where they were previously, but also the relationship we've built with the client.
They were there for us, not for themselves. It wasn't about promoting their business, it's more about what do you want? What can we do for you? We felt comfortable from the word go.
We're proud of the job they did, the quality, the tradespeople were all really impressive. In terms of recommending Form, definitely without hesitation, I would. Very happy with the overall journey.